Hi everyone. Today I want to share something that I've learned over the years that makes my time in meetings way more productive. And that is to make sure you schedule time for meeting prep prior to the meeting and time after the meeting for debrief. Now, that might not sound like rocket science, but what I find is most people don't really think too much about the meetings they're in ahead of time, and they often get sucked into other things after the meeting is over. And that means they don't always deliver on the action items in the meeting. Putting time on your calendar to do these things makes it much more likely they will happen. Now, of course, the amount of time you want to reserve for prep and debrief will vary based on your role. If you are the meeting facilitator, you're going to need more time to prepare an agenda, to gather materials, all that stuff. But if you don't put it on your calendar, much less of a chance that the meeting's going to be productive for everyone. Same is true on the debrief side. You might only need 5 minutes to debrief from some meetings, but it's a good idea nevertheless just to take a minute to say, what did I agree to do? What's going to happen next? Are there things I need to add to my to-do list and or calendar? So nobody wants more meetings, but if you're going to be effective in the ones you're already part of, schedule time for prep, schedule time for debrief. Thanks for watching.